Hello and welcome back to Galactose Flying. Today we are going to learn corrections to airspeed. The first airspeed is indicated airspeed. Indicated airspeed means the speed of an aircraft as shown on its speed.static airspeed indicator, calibrated to reflect standard atmosphere adiabatic compressible airflow at sea level. It is actually the airspeed which is indicated directly on the instrument. The next is calibrated airspeed. Calibrated airspeed means indicated airspeed of an aircraft corrected for position and instrumentation error. So what is position and instrumentation error? So an instrumentation error, this error arises due to imperfection in mechanics of the instrument. Like there may be some imperfections in the tools which are used in the instrument. These are imperfections by the manufacturer and they also provide corrections to it. The next is pressure or position error. This error arises due to the position of ports or due to maneuvering imperfections. Now, the ports are placed on location which can have some air discontinuities in front of that, which can cause some deviation in the reading. Which all these you can see below in the images. The error generally is greatest at low airspeed. With nose high pitch up altitudes at certain airspeeds and certain flap settings, the installation and instrumentation error may total to several knots. The next is equivalent airspeed. Equivalent airspeed is the calibrated airspeed corrected for compressibility of the air at non-trivial Mach number. So what is compressibility error? When the aircraft crosses the speed of 300 knots, the air around the aircraft starts to compress. This airspeed is usually calculated above a speed of 300 knots. The next is true airspeed. The true airspeed is the speed of an aircraft related to the air mass it's flying through. For better understanding, it is calibrated airspeed or equivalent airspeed calibrated to the density error. Now what is density error? As the aircraft climbs up, the density reduces and fewer air molecules enters the pitot tube. This causes density error. So, approximately, true airspeed is 2% more than indicated airspeed. So, the next is ground speed. The movement of aircraft relative to the ground is called ground speed. It's the airspeed corrected for wind. So the expression for this is ground speed is equal to true airspeed plus minus wind correction. For example, if the aircraft is traveling with true airspeed of 100 knots and there is a tailwind of 30 knots, so the ground speed will be 130 knots. Or if the headwind is 30 knots, so the ground speed will become 70 knots. This chart explains us well about the airspeeds. Thanks for watching.